Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO X5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, let's start with disabling unnecessary services. So just open your control panel and find your unnecessary services. For example, if you are not using mobile data right now but using Wi-Fi, disable mobile data. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, disable it. Do the same with location services, with nearby share, with NFC. For example, disable, then nearby share settings, disable nearby share, disable NFC, disable location access. Great. It's because if a service is running, it's constantly searching for their networks, Wi-Fi for nearby Wi-Fi networks, mobile data for 5G, 4G, I don't know, Bluetooth for nearby Bluetooth devices, nearby share for nearby Android devices, and every of these services is constantly consuming your battery power, so just disable it to improve your battery life. Then, of course, next step to improve battery life is to reduce screen brightness. Then open settings, choose display and enable dark mode. Why? So it's very easy to explain, because you have OLED screen. LED screen is the screen that created from thousands of small LED lamps, and in black places these lamps are not working, so are not consuming the battery power. So for example, now in my screen consumes battery power only in this place where you see the text, but in these dark areas screen is just disabled, and in this way it's not consuming too much battery power. And of course you need to open display, again scroll down and find your refresh rate and just choose refresh rate custom 60 Hz, because in this way your screen will consume less battery power, because your screen will be maybe not too smooth, but it will improve your battery power and improve your system stability too. So just disable 120 Hz mode. Then you can scroll down for battery here, choose battery saver mode, click OK. In this way your smartphone will live longer, as you can see, longer for 6 hours. So this mode will improve your battery life to 6 hours. And of course you can enable ultra battery saving mode. In this mode your phone will live in several times longer. So as you can see, that's it. You can add 6 applications here, so you can use only 9 applications in this mode. For example, these apps, click down, and as you can see now, it's all working application in this mode now. And that's it. I'll show you all I know about how to improve battery life on POCO X5 Pro device. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful for you, so just like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.